In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this photo composite in Photoshop. From adjustments, create a gradient layer and follow the settings. Open your first image. Then pick Quick Selection tool and select like this. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate. Select Move tool or press V from the keyboard and drag image to main project. Open second image and follow the process. Press Ctrl or Command T and adjust image size and position. Create mask on both layers. Pick brush and follow the process. To match the face and hand color, create a color balance adjustments layer. Don't forget to click on clipping mask icon. Play with yellow and blue sliders. To support my channel, you can use super thanks under the every videos or join channel membership. Create a new layer. Right-click and create clipping mask. Change mode to multiply. Pick brush and follow the process. Create a new layer for shadow. Then follow the process. Finally, add your text. That's it for today and see you in next tutorial.